This story is about mother-in-law and her daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law used to busy all day in household works. Mother-in-law used to involve in ibadat, performed 5 time namaz, recited Quran Pak daily. One day mother-in-law's cousin came. Daughter-in-law was busy in kitchen work. Mother-in-law called her daughter-in-law in rudely tone. She said, "Are you not able to watch? My cousin has come. Go and arrange tea with snacks." Daughter-in-law replied, "Ji Ammi, I get it now." She arranged tea and snacks while cooking and offered to guests. Mother-in-law screamed as soon as she drank tea. "This is how tea? Don't you know how to make tea? How much sugar is there in this? And the leaf is very rare. And how little milk is added?" Mother kept on scolding her. Then daughter-in-law's baby started crying. She had to take care of her child as well, take up the responsibility of the house. And the mother-in-law used to harass her. Mother-in-law's cousin had come to stay there for a few days. Daughter-in-law silent her child. Mother-in-law said, "I want food before namaz." She used to treat her daughter-in-law very badly. When the mother-in-law sat down to eat, she started counting deficiencies in food and speaking ill to her daughter-in-law. Mother-in-law's cousin noticed all that. Daughter-in-law was very hurt by such behavior. After having food, mother-in-law started to recite Quran Pak. After reciting Quran Pak, she read Islamic book. After that, performed namaz. Mother-in-law's cousin noticed all. When mother-in-law was talking about Islam, her cousin said, "You used to worship all time to your Lord. You perform namaz 8 times, recite Quran Pak daily, as well Islamic book. But I want to know, what is the use of worship if you don't follow the principle of Islam?" First of all, look at your behavior with your daughter-in-law. You treat her so badly. Your akhlaq is so bad. You are not humble. You bother and torture your daughter-in-law. You always hurt her. First of all, become a good human being. If you hurt others, your ibadat is useless and meaningless. Your Lord will not accept your ibadat if your heart is not clean and humble to others. Don't you know what Islam says? Be kind to others. Don't hurt anyone. Don't bother others. Help others. Create ease for others. And what are you doing? You are absolutely wrong. Mend your ways. Your ibadat will not be accepted if your behavior so bad to others. Consider yourself. Hearing all this, mother-in-law's heart converted, and she realized she was wrong and regretted. So friends, consider yourself and remember, ibadat is most important. If you have no humanity, your ibadat is useless. Thank you. Goodbye.